What's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. My friends, in this video I will show you, friends, the pump. My friends, the XRP Ripple coin huge pump, and that is the biggest pump of XRP at this time in the market. In live update you are watching now on ABS channel. If you are a holder of XRP, so absolutely you are very happy person at this time. If you see this kind of pump in a XRP, so you can't believe that is it XRP or is it a Bitcoin? I can't believe. Keep watch for more details, and please make sure to subscribe ABS channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, price of the XRP in the market is 0.833644 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the XRP in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the XRP, so now at this time the pricing is going positive, and the previous change, my friends, the previous change is going wrong. That is why the price of XRP is very pretty fast down. If the price is not fast in the previous days, so now at this time price of the XRP will be 1 USD dollar, but now this time 0.83 USD dollar. So that is a bit news, but don't worry. Let me show you, friends, the pump of the XRP. Let's see the price chart and let's see the pump. My friends, you can see here that is the last 50-minute price chart of the XRP Ripple coin, and the previous last 50 minutes the XRP only take a jump. And absolutely that is a massive jump of the XRP. If we look the price change occur with the percentage, so positive 3.38%, the price of the XRP as goes to the moon, my friends. So my friends, if they continue every hour this kind of change, so just imagine the price of XRP after this month. Just imagine, my friends, the price of XRP. I imagined that the price of XRP will be 5 USD dollar if they continue in every hour this kind of positive change. So the price of the XRP in the end of this month will be 5 USD dollar, my friends. So my friends, there is a lot of chances to continue this jump for maybe. There is no one cryptocurrency that only take a jump. Every cryptocurrency is faster for a little time, but you have to patience. If you have a patience, you will get profit, and if you have no patience, nothing you will get. Remember that. My recommendation for everyone at this time is to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.